Top insurance companies in USA. The comparison life car home insurance. There are a number of ways to rank the size of insurance companies. Companies can be measured by their market capitalization, the value of company on a stock exchange, or by using sales figure such as net premium written in a year or how many policies were sold. Here we examine the top 10 largest insurance companies by market cap, market share, and revenues. Key takeaways. The first one is insurance companies are important players in the global financial economy, although they may not be as flashy as investment banks or hedge funds. Insurance companies come in many sizes and specialize in different policy lines, from health to life to property and casualty. Market capitalization or market cap is the value of companies' outstanding shares. Some insurance companies are mutually owned in which the policyholders are the owners. When ranking insurance companies, it is important to categorize them according to their product line. Largest insurance company by market capitalization. Market capitalization or market cap is the total value of company's stock, and it is calculated by multiplying the number of outstanding shares by the current share price. It is a quick way of determining the value of company in the eye of investors. Companies with large market caps are generally established conservative investment. They likely experience steady growth and offer the least amount of risk. Mid-cap companies are also established but have high growth potential. Lastly, small cap companies are often new companies with high growth potentials. Investing in these companies poses the greatest risk because they are more vulnerable to economic downturn than the more established large and mid-cap companies. Investors can buy a share of publicly traded companies in the insurance industry. The largest non-health insurance companies by market capitalization on the World Stock Exchange as of July 2021 are non-health insurance companies. Company names and market capitalization. Berkshire Hathaway US $636 billion. Ping An Insurance China $166 billion. AIA Group Hong Kong $154 billion. China Life Insurance China $114 billion. Allianz Germany $104 billion. Cigna US $81 billion. AXA France $62 billion. Humana $59 billion. Zurich Insurance Switzerland $59 billion. Munich, Germany $39 billion. Market cap data as of July 14, 2021. Now for health and managed health care companies. Health insurance and managed health care companies. Company name United Healthcare UNH $393 billion. CVS $106 billion. Anthem $96 billion. Cigna CI $80 billion. Humana $59 billion. Canton Corporation $43 billion. Molina Healthcare $15 billion. Bright Health Group $9.7 billion. Multiplan Corporation $4.7 billion. Alignment Healthcare $4.2 billion. Not all insurance companies are publicly traded. In fact, many insurers are structured as mutual companies, where policyholders of participating policies are essentially partial owner of the company. The mutual company model for an insurance company dates back hundreds of years, and there are certain benefits conferred on policyholders that do not exist with policy traded stock company insurers. American Family Insurance is the largest mutual insurance company in US. Largest insurance companies by sales and product line. It is useful to differentiate between the type of insurance or line that is being considered when considering the largest insurance companies. Using sales data is helpful as some of the largest insurance companies in US are not publicly traded and therefore their market values are not easily ascertained. Property and casualty. Property and casualty insurers write policies covering property such as real estate, dwelling, cars, and other vehicles. They also write policies dealing with liabilities that may be incurred by accident or negligence related to those properties to defray the cost of lawsuits or medical damages resulting from such incidents. The top US property and casualty companies in 2020 by net premium written, the amount of money that non-life policies can expect to receive over the life of contract less commissions and cost are company net premium written. State Farm Group $66.2 billion. Berkshire Hathaway $46.4 billion. Progressive Insurance Group $41.7 billion, Allstate Insurance Group $39.2 billion, Liberty Mutual $36.2 billion, Traveler Group $28.8 billion, USA Group $24.6 billion, Chubb CB $24.2 billion, Farmer Insurance Group $20.1 billion, Nationwide $18.5 billion. Life insurance companies. Life insurance company promise to pay out a lump sum benefit upon the death of insured. Although actuarial science has created mortality tables to accurately estimate the future liability of policies to be paid, having financial strength ensure that these companies can meet all of their obligations while still earning a profit. Life insurance company in the US can be ranked by direct premium written, the number of new policies written directly and non-reinsured for 2020. Here is company and its total direct premium market share. New York Life GRP $11.7 billion with 6.75% share. Northwestern Mutual $11.3 billion with 6.52% share. Metropolitan Group $10.5 billion with 6.05% share. Prudential of America $10.1 billion with 5.80% share. Lincoln National $8.4 billion with 4.83% share. Mass Mutual $7.9 billion with 4.57% share. State Farm $5.0 billion with 2.87% share. Aegon $4.9 billion with 2.80% share. John Hancock $4.7 billion with 2.73% share. And Minnesota Mutual GRP $4.7 billion with 2.70% share. Health insurance company. Health insurance company provide policies to cover all part of the policyholder's health and medical cost. Policies may be purchased individually or through an employer. Technically, the US government is the largest health insurance provider in America through the Medicare program, Social Security, and Medicaid administered by individual state. Based on National Association of Insurance Commission 2020 report, the largest non-government sponsored US health insurance company measured by total direct premium collected were company total direct premium and its market share. Metropolitan Group $111.7 billion with 11.1% share. Prudential $63.5 billion with 6.3% share. Equitable Holdings $62.8 billion with 6.2% share. United Health Group $58.4 billion with 5.8% share. New York Life $43.4 billion with 4.3% share. CVS $39.3 billion. Largest insurance company frequently asked questions. What do the CEO of the largest health insurance company make? The following CEO of the 6 largest health insurance company make over $15 million annually. Michael Neidorff of Centene earns $26.4 million. David Cordani of Cigna earns $19.1 million. David Wichman of United Health Group earns $18.9 million. Joseph Zuberkisky of Molina Healthcare earns $18 million. Bruce Brusad of Human earns $16.7 million. Gol Bordorix of Anthem earns $15.5 million. Question arises here, are the large insurance companies good investments? Investing in insurance company can be safe option for some investors. Insurance companies are founded to deal with risk, which can ultimately reduce the risk associated with investing in them.